Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm your Android device has NFC and the Easypaisa app is updated. Open Settings, turn on NFC, then open Easypaisa and grant NFC and required permissions so the app can communicate with terminals. Once done, sign in and complete any verification prompts. Make sure you've added funds or linked a card. This first pass gets your phone and account ready, so the next steps focus on selecting the correct payment method and authenticating securely. Now you choose how you'll pay and secure it. Inside Easypaisa, open the Tap to Pay or card management area and pick your preferred funding source. Set it as default so you won't fumble at checkout. Enable fingerprint or face unlock for fast approval and confirm the app allows foreground NFC use. Once configured, test with a low-value transaction to learn positioning. Center the phone over the terminal's reader. This step prevents mismatches and ensures the terminal and app exchange the right token. To complete a payment, unlock the phone, open Easypaisa if required, then tap the back of your device flat against the merchant's NFC reader and hold steady until you hear a tone or see confirmation. Afterward, review the in-app receipt and transaction history to confirm success. If it doesn't work, try the key troubleshooting tip. Toggle NFC off and on, force close Easypaisa, then reopen. If still failing, update the app or reboot the phone before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.